Testing, 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 testing. Alright. This one look like it's working. Testing, testing, testing. Screen looks good. It's recording. Guess we'll find out when I do a replay. This one looks like it's working too. Hey, yeah, we had a little accident. It was my fault. Set us back with our videography. But the last time we came in here to do work, and I was setting up, I placed the cameras over there, and this bucket here was full of water, and silly me, I dumped it so it'll drain out in the bilge, forgetting that the cameras were there. So the cameras got completely soaked. Oh man. But fortunately, after a week of drying, removed the batteries right away. They seem to be okay. So, we're back in business. Right, so what we've been up to, we've been prepping the floor here, trying to ground down all the hard edges, because we're getting ready to lay entire sheet of cloth over the entire hull to make up for all the fiberglass we ground off and to just reinforce everything. We continued wrapping the keel and reinforcing the keel up to this point. This is about halfway down the way. I'm not sure if we got any good footage of us doing that because the cameras were down. We tried to film it with one of our phones, but I haven't seen the footage to see if it's worthwhile putting. If it is, I'll put it on right after this. But the next step is make a pattern of this section, cut out some cloth. I'm gonna put down a layer of 1708 and top it off with a layer of chop strand just to smooth off the texture of the structural cloth, so when we roll a gel coat on top of it, it doesn't have that bumpy texture which could catch dirt and stuff. So we're hoping the chop strand will be a little smoother. But okay, that's it. That's all you've missed. You didn't miss too much. Hopefully you didn't miss none at all once I view the footage on the phone. But yeah, next is next. And next is laying down this cloth so we can get ready to reinstall that front section.
Today, we're gonna start by making a little bit of dirt, and then we're gonna clean up, and we'll be wrapping up this front section. And hopefully in the coming weeks we can get the front part of the floor back in as well. Looking forward to that. Alright, cut up a bunch of strips of cardboard. I'm going to attempt making a template. It's for a large piece of fiberglass that we're going to put pretty much from the bottom of the stringer to the bottom of the keel, just to reinforce the entire hull. So let's give it a shot.
humid. Boys, very slippery. No grip. It's a pretty ambitious move. I think it'll be just fine. Oh. Okay, we ready to go. We got batches of 500 milliliters ready to go. So, gonna roll it. One shot from the bow to midship. One of the biggest layups we did so far. Hope it works out.
The biggest by far.
Well, there it is, fully cured. Looks good. Some rain came down last night and washed some dust over it, but that's no biggie. I think this side is finished. Just gotta do this side next. Guess we'll fit that one in the next video. Until then, see ya.